Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a critical topic: how rapid technological advancements are slowly but surely taking over or shutting down traditional businesses. If you are in one of these industries, this video might save you from future losses. Let us explore some businesses that are facing this challenge and discuss why change is necessary. Business number 1, selling newspapers. Selling newspapers was once the primary source for news. Newspapers are now struggling because of digital media. People prefer instant news updates via smartphones and online platforms, making print readership decline rapidly. So guys, in this business, why consider change? One is because of the declining sales and advertising revenue. 2 is because of the rise of digital subscriptions and free online news. 3 is because of the environmental concerns about paper waste. I would advise you to transition to digital content, offer online subscriptions, or consider multimedia journalism to stay relevant. Business number 2 is selling scratch cards or physical lottery tickets. These businesses face stiff competition from online gambling and mobile apps that allow instant access to games and betting 24/7. So, why should you consider to change this business? 1 is because of the reduced physical sales due to digital platforms. 2 is because the ease of access and convenience of online options attract the younger generation. The advice here would be to explore online gaming or digital lottery platforms, or pivot the business towards digital entertainment. Business number 3 is selling movies, DVD rentals and sales. Guys, the traditional movie rental or sales business has been disrupted by streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Print. You should consider changing this business. Why? 1 is because of the instant access to a vast library of content online, and then the decline in DVD sales and movies and rentals. The advice here would be to shift to digital distribution, create original content, or explore content curation services. Business number 4 is manual taxis. Traditional taxis are being challenged by ride-sharing apps like Uber and Bolt, which offer convenience and often lower prices. You should consider changing this business because 1, customers prefer the ease of app-based booking and cashless payments. 2, fleet management is more efficient via technology. So the advice here, guys, would be, if possible, if you're in this business, adapt by integrating with ride-sharing platforms or develop your own app. Business number 5 is cyber caves. These were once hubs for internet access, gaming, and socializing. But with affordable home internet, smartphones, and mobile data, their relevance has faded. If you're in this business, consider changing this business because people now access the internet from their homes and mobile devices. 2, the business model is no longer sustainable in many areas. The advice here would be try to offer specialized services like gaming lounges, technology training, or offer co-working spaces. Business number 6 is analog watch repair shop. As digital and smart watches become more popular, traditional watch sales and repairs decline. If you're in this business, you should consider changing it because of the reduced demand for mechanical watches and the increasing preference for smart multifunctional devices. The advice here would be to diversify into repairing the smart devices or focus on luxury watch customization and services. As I conclude, guys, Many traditional businesses are facing continued threats due to technological evolution. For those involved, the key is adaptability. Whether that means digital transformation, diversification, or closing down unprofitable ventures, action is crucial for survival. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.